professional errors that I have done when I started my career. And if I was 17 today, I would have made these changes. I'm Megha Bansali, Commerce Career Coach, Chartered Accountant and ACCA. Recently I was interacting with a lot of 12th standard student और मेरे को पता चला कि 12th standard students आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं अपने करियर को लेके, अपने goals को लेके. And तब it hit me that if I was 17 again, what were the errors that I could have changed so that I could have probably made a better professional career for myself. Firstly, जब आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट कॉमर्स आर्ट्स या साइंस क्या स्ट्रीम होनी चाहिए मेरी, सो आई जस्ट टोल्ड माई फादर दैट आई लाइक नंबर्स, आई लाइक एनालिसिस, आई लाइक लॉजिक. सो ही सेड चार्ट अकाउंटेंसी कर ले, आई थिंक दैट्स अ गुड कोर्स. So I just jumped onto it without even doing any research, without even understanding anything. मेरे families में बहुत सारे CAs हैं, so I just started कि सबने कर रखा है तो I will also do the same course. So the most important thing that I'm trying to draw here is, guys, please do your research. Luckily it did align a little bit with my interest, but definitely मैंने ये नहीं check किया था कि इसकी job opportunities क्या है, work profile क्या है, course की difficulty क्या है. Honestly मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता था. I just jumped onto it. So थोड़ी सी awareness is quite required. Probably अगर मैं ज़्यादा aware होती, I could have done something else. Though I'm happy with my qualification, but still figure out everything about the course. Please do that. Second thing जो मैं करती if I was 17 again is मैं एक skill set develop करती. For sure, which I feel I should have done a lot more years ago. Frankly, I did not know I would be so comfortable talking in front of camera. I would be making YouTube videos. So if I had developed this skill, or if I had developed ye is something that I'm good at, I could have started when I was 17, and probably it can help you generate a passive income source. So कुछ भी है, जो भी आपका area of interest है, एक specific skill set आपको definitely develop करनी है, which can help you generate passive income. Maybe like a content writing, maybe like an influencer. You could also build a tool if you are really good at it. आप कोई भी छोटे छोटे tools बना सकते हो business automation में, personal finance में, financial modeling पे, financial literacy पे, and you can generate passive income around it. So developing a skill set मेरे को लगता है मेरे को बहुत साल पहले कर लेना चाहिए था. When I was 17, जब मेरे पास बहुत time and energy थी. Things are a little different now. Third thing is LinkedIn profile. So when I was in my 12th, LinkedIn इतना popular नहीं था and इतनी awareness नहीं थी, but I should have started working on my LinkedIn profile, started talking to professionals who are CAs, who are working in big fours, to understand कि उनकी क्या work life है, उनका क्या challenges है work में, what is the thing that excites them, what are the opportunities that are available. बिकॉज जितने लोगों से आप बात करोगे उतनी ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिलेगी एंड यू विल नो व्हाट इज़ योर करियर पाथ. सो डेफिनेटली मैं मेरे लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल पे वर्क करती. फोर्थ इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो मैं करती, गाइज, आई वुड हैव डन एन इंटर्नशिप. मैं डायरेक्टली चार्ट अकाउंटेंसी में जंप नहीं करती. I would have probably done an internship right after 12th standard for at least 6 months to figure out if this is what I like. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइज. इन इंडिया अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम एक्सपीरियंस को कम, एजुकेशन को ज़्यादा वैल्यू करते हैं. बोथ आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एक्सपीरियंस इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन एजुकेशन. दोनों ज़रूरी है, बट दोनों का इंक्लिनेशन होना इज वॉट विल मेक यू सक्सेसफुल. if I've got a practical exposure in a particular field, I understand it, it excites me, then I do an education to work around it, and that can help me achieve my goal. So do internships. Quite important, guys. I would have definitely done that if I was 17. And आजकल बहुत सारे platforms हैं जहाँ पे internships मिलती है. If not unpaid करो, अपने relatives के साथ कर लो, अपने किसी friend के यहाँ चले जाओ. But please do internships. And I think these would have probably been the changes that I would really want to bring into my professional life if I was 17 again today. So I hope you found these tips and advice valuable. In case you're still confused, require some more guidance, please feel free to reach out to me or drop a comment below on what your query is. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.